Hey everyone, so here is this viral app called Atoms from Atomic Habits. You can just go on the App Store and search it for the Atoms. This is an app based on this famous book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This app is not only a habit tracker, but also your personal guide filled with bite-sized lessons and insightful strategies to help you make positive changes one small step at a time. So why Atoms? Proven principles. Atoms is crafted on the science-backed principles of habit change covered in Atomic Habits. You will learn how to make your habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. 5 good minutes. Experience a powerful change in just 5 minutes a day. Atoms is designed for everyone, including those with busy lifestyles, ensuring that you can build good habits, break bad ones, and make better decisions. And then this is New York Times bestseller. Join over 15 million people who have already embraced the transformative power of Atomic Habits. So what are the key features? You can just have this guided habit creation. I will show you out. So this app is not like some note taking. It provides you all the lessons from this Atomic Habits book, how to create a habit, which will be really nice to complete. And then it has intuitive interface, smart reminders, progress insights. So let's just open up the app. So just tap open, and you don't even need an account. And the app is free for like 28 days. It has a pro trial, and then it's free with like limited version. So you can use it for free. And then you can just tap plus in top right, and then just either create a habit, start a new habit that will have remarkable results, or replace a bad habit. So redirect the time and energy towards a good habit. So let's just tap create a habit. And then as you can see here is some kind of structure which you have how to create a specific habit in time location. So yeah, just so it looks it's a better way to create habits. An action, time, and a place, and most importantly, an identity. So what is your habit, what is your time location, and what's your identity. Like I will like run whatever, so you can just run here, time location, 10 a.m. so I can become a runner. So yep, and then you can just review it, and then you can just add it, and then you can just set up the habit time here, and then send reminders, and then you can just type create habit. So yep, then you can just, I already have 2 habits, just an example. It doesn't mean I will kind of complete them here, but here it is. And then you can just tap, and then you can see, okay, if you just tap and hold, then it means you completed it for today. So this very nice, easy to use interface. So when you can just tap and hold, you complete this habit. So that's the idea. And then you also have this progress where you can see all your analytics, milestones, how it works. You can see identity reflection. We'll check in with you every few repetitions to help you track your progress towards who you want to become. Your streaks, your reflection. We'll ask you to reflect on your habits. We'll use a reflection to help you make adjustments to keep strong, like your habits again. So yep, that's basically the idea. And then also you have like a mindset library where you can just do some readings and read all of these interesting blogs. But like you need to know that majority of this content is like in pro trial, which means like that you have a pro trial for 28 days, and then your card is not charged, obviously. But then after 28 days, if you do not upgrade, you will be downgraded to the free plan, where you have like 4 more mindset and content access, where you can only add 1 habit, and you don't have access to this library and to these daily lessons and all of that. And the price is that $17 per month or $120 yearly. So the price is biting a bit, so it's more on the expensive side of these kind of apps. Like majority of apps you will need to pay like around $50-$60 per year. Some of the apps then offering you discounts where you can get them for $30 a year. That's kind of on a lower pricing range. 120 is more kind of expensive app, and $17 per month, yeah, it's also kind of expensive. But yeah, maybe they will offer up some discounts and all of that, so you just need to take a look. So yeah, here it is, and then yeah, you can just go and see all of the details. If you don't like your account, you can just delete your account. If you like your account, you can just go and continue with an account and create your account from here. So that's another thing. I can do all of this stuff without an account, and it's super fast and easy. So yep, that's just what you have here, and there it is. Yeah, by the way, this app is not yet on Google Play Store, so it's only on iOS, iPhone at the moment. So yeah, give it a try. It was just released, so maybe they will introduce some deals and rewards in the future. So that's what it is.